What is Six Sigma? Imagine a world where every business process runs smoothly without any errors or delays. A world where customer satisfaction is at its peak and profits are on the rise. This might sound like a dream, but it's a reality with the implementation of the Six Sigma method. In this video, we will discover how this data-driven and systematic approach is revolutionizing the business world by reducing defects, increasing efficiency, and elevating customer satisfaction. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how Six Sigma can transform the way you do business. So, what is the concept of Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a quality management concept that aims to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of business processes by reducing defects and minimizing variability. It uses data and statistical analysis to identify and eliminate the root causes of defects and to improve the process performance. The goal of Six Sigma is to achieve a defect rate of 3.4 defects per million opportunities or less. There are two main methods within the Six Sigma framework, DMAIC and DMADV. One, DMAIC is a 5-step process: define, measure, analyze, improve, control, used to improve existing processes by identifying and eliminating sources of defects. For example, a manufacturing company might use DMAIC to reduce the number of defects in its product assembly line. 2. DMADV is a 5-step process: define, measure, analyze, design, verify, used to design new processes or products. For example, a company might use DMADV to design a new production process for a new product. The goal of learning Six Sigma is to gain expertise in using the Six Sigma methodology to improve business processes and achieve higher levels of quality and efficiency. Six Sigma certification programs are available for individuals who wish to demonstrate their knowledge and expertise in the methodology. Thank you for watching.